Manipur government is trying to improve the education system in the state by building more schools and colleges. Funds are allocated for upgrading and building infrastructure at educational institutes. Manipur government claims that enough funds are given to upgrade schools in and around the capital city Imphal. But the picture is different if we look at the primary school established in the year 1958. Haurebi Awanglekai Teramakhong Upper Primary School in Thoubal is in a pathetic condition. The school, which has produced many talented people, is in a sorry state. Teachers of the school express their dissatisfaction to Impact News.
1958 established the school amani koina pokting ai mamang dagi hona toroklaba yamna maming chalaba regi afaba satra kaya puthokraba dugumba school amani nupi macha singi nupa macha singi toilet separate toilet leite punna jointly tori ozagi leite common room moina lei headmaster room leite smaina school ji hoji yamna awaba kaya thenari building gi phibam da so yamna awabo eri education department na yengsin biraga ozagi award patsing nupi macha singi nupa macha singi toilet singsi tongan like common room singsi sabina naba government gi mai kai dagi so aikoi thamjari.
A total number of 350 students are studying in the school from class 1 to 7. 9 dedicated teachers are managing the students. Like any government school, this primary school too has a share of problems like poor infrastructure, lack of teachers, no separate toilets for boys and girls, no provision for drinking water, lack of desks and benches are some of the daily hurdles faced by the students and teachers. The students emphasize that lack of classrooms has forced girls and boy students to share same bench in the classroom. They also express that shortage of teachers have led to irregular classes. Students want the concerned authority to hear their problem out.
School building khattaba aduga mathak chu fana kuptaba aduga makha chu ufunna fana hoba aduga nong churokpa matamda class tawba yadaba loirna bench amadi dance chu suna thamdaba satra sing chu nupi nupa anima punna phamna hanba adumba aduga phak chu thara phamanba yam pendaba adum yam school jira thengnal.
The state of the school building is such that a slight earthquake tremor can bring down the whole building. Even though the school is a good institute, the condition of the building has brought worries to the parents.
Nungsila agadi school si kinthagi gadra habdu gi akibido aduki matik phaujare masi yaribu makai di authorities sing na yangsen biraga akoi gi school si gi phananaba lambi amadang di athu matam da semanjadingi.
With Bhakta Taurangbam and cameraman Bishorjit, Tenshbam Sangeeta, Impact News.